Hi guys, welcome you all for the PM lecture. This is Raj Kamal. Let us have a discussion on the type 5 problem in projection of planes. We have a question here. Let us read the question. A regular pentagon of 30 mm sides is resting on HP on one of its sides while its opposite vertex or corner is 30 mm above HP. Draw the projection when side in HP is 30° inclined to BP. This is the question given for us. So we can write the given data. The given data first, it is a polygon is a pentagon. So and the dimension is 30 mm per side. We have this pentagon, we have 5 sides. So each side have 30 mm and the inclination to surface is not given here. So inclination to edge is given here. The edge is inclined to 30° inclined to VP, and we have two conditions here. One condition is resting on HP. One of the side is resting on HP, and another condition is the side is opposite corner is 30 mm above HP. This is the condition provided for us. So first step we need to draw the XY line. So after drawing the XY line, so here there is no surface inclination, but indirectly they given the surface inclination here. So see the question. One of the side is lying on HP and this opposite corner is 30 mm above HP. So if the corner is 30 mm above HP means we need to do the inclination with HP only. So they given the statement indirectly instead of surface inclination, they give the word one of the side that is opposite vertex or corner. The other name for corner is vertex is 30 mm above HP. Its meaning is it is inclined to above HP. So if it is inclined to above HP means the initial step we need to do that the plane is, that means the pentagon plane is parallel to HP. If it is parallel to HP means it will be project on the HP plane, and we can get the true shape on the HP plane only. We can view it from the top view. We can see the true shape of the pentagon. So if we can project it in the HP plane, we can view it from the top view. We can get the true shape in the HP plane. Now the HP plane can be rotated in the clockwise direction 290°. So this is the XY. We can get the true shape below the XY plane. So here we need to start the diagram below the XY plane. That is the first thing, because they give the inclination indirectly here. See, the opposite corner is 30 mm above HP. That's the meaning is the surface is inclined to HP. The surface is inclined to HP means we need to draw the pentagon plane as parallel to HP. That is the initial question. So the first step is the pentagon is parallel to HP. So we can get the pentagon below the XY plane. So we have a doubt here. So if the pentagon is, we can draw the pentagon in different angles also. So you see here, we can draw the pentagon like this also. But here corner will be in the left hand side, but in the question one of the edges resting on here, so this will be wrong because the corner means we have only one point. If I draw the pentagon like this means this also wrong. See here, here also only one point will coming in the left hand side, so this also wrong. But see here, we have 2 points, so the 2 points combine to make a line. If the line is called as edge, so this will be a right one. You can draw the pentagon in this direction only. So after drawing the pentagon, so you can draw all the projections and you can draw the front view. It would look like a line and give the names. Okay, please remember guys the important step. So 2 points there, this is a line or edge, we can say it is edge. So in the question, one of the sides is resting on HP. One of the sides is resting on HP in the question. That's why we put it in direction, this pentagon. If they ask corner means we can use this or this method. Okay, so after drawing the pentagon, we can go for the next surface inclination. But here the surface inclination is given in a indirect way. That is the HP is above the HP is 30 mm corner. The corner is above 30 mm on HP. So here this is a corner. If we draw the opposite edges corner, we can need to incline it or you can raise it for 30 mm. So for that we need to draw a line from here. We need to measure a 30 mm and draw a horizontal line like this for 30 mm distance. After drawing it, take your compass, measure the distance of this A dash to D dash and put an arc anywhere here. From here to make an arc anywhere like this and draw a line. Okay, after drawing that line, this and this will be same distance and give the name. Okay, so after that need to draw the projections in both sides. After drawing the projection for the intersection point, you can give the name. For example, the A and A dash, you can get the A1. Similarly, we can get the other points also. So after drawing this, we can do the next step, that is 30-degree incline to BP, that is edge is 30-degree inclined to BP. So you can draw the 30-degree line and we need to reproduce the same parameter here of this pentagon. So for that we need to measure the A1 to B1 using compass, make an arc here. After that A1 to E1 you need to measure and put an arc. Similarly B1 to C1 you need to measure, put an arc. Similarly E1 to D1, put an arc. Similarly C1 to D1, put an arc. So intersecting point is and draw the pentagon. So both are same parameters. Then you can draw the projections. Then from this side also. Then you can mark the point of A dash, A1, similarly other points and draw the diagram very darkly. This is the final step. So the first step, according to the question, we need to draw the plane parallel to HP. That is the first step. Second step, we need to draw the condition. Here one of the corner is 30 mm above HP. That is the second step. Third step, edge inclination. And the fourth step, we need to draw the projection, find the final position. All will be later. This only will be darker and other projections are somewhere later. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you.